everyone, I am Queen Elsa, and I've missed the Patchogue-Medford library so much since my last visit when we had that lovely party. So I came all the way from Arundel to do a kit with you today, and we're going to make a snow globe. You'll be able to pick up your own kit starting December 5th, and in that kit, you'll get cotton balls, glitter, a globe, and all you need from home is some water, and if you'd like, some food coloring. So to make this kit together, you're going to take your snow globe and we're going to open it on up and put our cotton balls inside. You can also add some glitter during this step too. We'll mix it on up. Some more in. Now you can see, and all the glitter can go on in. Give it a nice little swirl. And then you're going to take your water. You can add your food coloring now if you'd like to. And you're going to pour your water on in until you have it almost filled. And you can put your cap back on nice and tight so the water stays in. And you have your beautiful snow globe. So once you're done making your snow globe, tag the Patchogue-Medford Library on social media, and you can use the hashtag PMLIB and PMLIB Creates. And if you want to have more fun this December, you can pick up kits and do sugar cubes with my sister Anna and Christoph, and you can do hot chocolate kits with Anna and Olaf. Have a magical winter.